Hi guys, this is Monica Esclamado from Miss Philippines Choice. Okay, kakauwi ko lang from the event and it's Online Sellers Gala Night 2024. It's the very first event ng mga online sellers or party and I'm so happy kasi ang dami kong nakuha mga iba't ibang produkto from different online sellers. So, as a thank you, eto po yung gagawin ko. Shoutout ko po, ipapromote ko po lahat ng mga products na nakuha ko. By the way guys, bago ako mag-change ng outfit pang tulog, ito isa-isahin ko muna. First, gusto kong pasalamatan ng aking asawa na very supportive sa akin. Second one, yung aking makeup artist, si Ma'am Hani Razon, ayan, for making me like parang hindi sobra-sobra, hindi ako magmumukhang bakla. Ganon, I really like it. Very natural, ganon. And then si Sir Ellie Oliva, ayan, sikat yan siya na hairstylist, so siya gumawa sa akin. Very thank you also to KSD Gowns. Ayan, with this outfit. Ayan. So, share ko lang sa inyo guys that I won the crown. I never expected though kasi ang daming magaganda doon. And because of your talents, Ma'am Hani, Sir Ellie, and for this gown, Miss Karen, thank you so much. Siguro hindi ko makuwi yung crown na yun. Anyway, so this is what I've got. Yeah, so I am the star of the night. At a lot of vloggers are they also. So, Big Ash, kaso nakalimutan ko mag-picture kaming dalawa. Sila yung mga naging judge for the top 10 na mapipiling star of the night. Ayan. So, ito, hindi ko alam kung sinong gumawa for Online Sellers 2024. And, eto pa, medyo kailangan lang namin siyang dikitin kasi, ano siya, baka mahulog. Ayan. Thank you so much. This is from Artcom Prints. Ayan. Okay, thank you. Next, I got 2 certificate, diba? Sponsor at saka, syempre, part na din sa ating, parang every online seller na doon. So, Ernie by MEM or Maricar. So, I didn't put the profile which they used to see in my Facebook kasi gusto ko walang mukha yung Ernie. So, ito yung binigay ko. But, it's cute naman. Mas maganda sana kung mukha na, pero never mind. Next I got is from Glory. Ay, baliktad. Glory na sabon. Ayun, ang cutie ng pouch niya. Ayan, alam kong kilala nyo to. Ayan. Next naman is, I got 2 of it. Each of the parang sumali sa party na yun ay merong pa-souvenir. And eto, tag-isa kami ni Habi. So, wait, i-open ko lang. This is from Misen Collections. Ayan, thank you so much, ma'am. Tama ba? Correct if I'm wrong, kahit mali yung pronunciation. Wow, let me check. What's this? Oh! What's this? Patulog! Oh, perfect siya, guys. Pwede rin siyang panggala. Ano siya? Silk type. Yay! Kapag tayo happy. Okay, and what's this? Parang. Okay, ay naman. So, ang dami ko nang nilagay dito, pati yung mga vouchers. So, dito. So, wala, different siya. Eto. Oh. Yung kay Habi is dalawang pang bottom and mine is dress. Cutie from Messen Parent, ha? And eto pa yung iba, guys. So, first raffle, I got 500 gift voucher from Obsession, Dubai, and US Apparel, or sa Davao Bodega Victoria Bahada, or sa Obsession Bar, and hindi ko mabasa, Cocktail Lounge. Ayan. So, this is from Ma'am Donna, yung, if you still remember, yung mga outfit na pinuntahan ko na may physical store in front of Seda Abriza. Ito po siya. So, any of her store, ayan, pwede ka mag-avail at i-provide mo lang to para maka-avail ka ng 500. Okay, another one is eto. I don't know para saan to. Kay Next Week Enterprise. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan, correct me if I'm wrong guys sa pronunciation. Eto naman, ang paunahan ng 50 participants na bibigay ng pair of earrings. So, I got from Davao Divisoria Bags. So, kung bibili kami, may 100 pesos off. And this one, Ligaya Davao. I don't know kung ano pa ito. But, we'll see. Okay, thank you so much. Ayan, also there's a booth from Sent by Harley. So, nang harbat na din ako dun, guys. I got one for women and one for hubby. Ayan. ito isa sa mga award ko na panalunan ko as Store of the Night. So I have free jewelry cleaning valid until February 2025 from Vaughn's Gold. Kala ko gold na. Pero I'm so happy because we have accessories naman para ipalinis. Next is, oh my god, I don't need to buy food package na for our medianoche. Ayan. Ito naman ay from CLC Food Corner Catering. Ayan. Thank you so much. And I have one night in Acacia Hotel staycation with breakfast for 2 packs valid for 2025. Ayan. From Gina's Travel and Tour. Thank you so much. And another from KSD. Ayan. Ito guys, yung nag-ano sa atin, yung nirentahan natin na gown. Meron akong free gown rental for 1 year valid until December 2025. Hey! Ayan. At saka, another souvenir pa. Isa-isa talaga lahat. Meron ganito. Ara Beauty Sexy Lips. So, meron siyang dalawang magkaibang shade. Pero I choose this one. I don't know what ano siya. Yeah. Basta ganyan siya. May pagka-red. And, ano pa ba? Yeah, I got bugas! Where's my bugas? Here. I don't know kung sino yung sponsor nito, but I'm really happy. This one really makes my heart charis. Because, lang, ano siya, practical. I'm so happy talaga, guys. Parang hindi lang Hakot Award ang ginawa ko. Thank you. Nakalimutan ko sino nagbigay nito kasama ito yung sa sabon. And puso yung bulaklak. Okay, nagpa-picture to si Madam kanina. This is from still my award from the Star of the Night. This is from Flowers of Love Double Eve Shop. Ayan. Ito po. Oh, thank you so much. And last but not the least, this one is for hubby. After mapulot lahat ulit, so naka-avail pa siya. What's this? Okay, wallet. Or pwede din ang lagay ng cards. Ayan, cutie. Ayan, bad girl. Next is, open ko ha. Pambabae, habi. Sorry ka. Ayan. Thank you.
So, naputol yung video natin. After this one, etong red na shorts. Ayan. Thank you. And meron pa, hold on. Ang dami, girls. So, hindi ka ba matutuwa? Sana tuloy-tuloy na to, no? Every year na. Feel ko tuloy-tuloy na to. Kasi successful naman yung event. This. Uy, lens! Perfect lens! But I don't know the color. Suboy Eyes. I think it's Japanese Suboy. This is Charming Turquoise. Oh, I cannot open it yet because I really need to hilamos na. Di ako sanay ng makeup kasi. So, thank you so much. Yan, pakita mo, Bobby. This is all we got from the party. Hindi na tayo ganyan. So, happy. Someone told me, masisiyan ka pa rin ba nakakatanggap ng mga award na yan, even if you're mayaman. Grabe ka naman makabayaman. Pero na-appreciate ko talaga. Kasi syempre, diba, hindi ito yung line ng business ko except for the sabon. Kasi I have sabon also. Pero, ito, mga stocks na to, hindi to line. Lalo na kapag mga damit, kahiligan ko. So, I'm really happy. So, that's all. Thank you so much everyone. Kung hindi ko man na-shoutout yung iba dahil hindi ko alam ang pangalan. Thank you so much pa rin. Ayan. God bless everyone and have a prosperous New Year po. Bye!